Hello, everyone. So here we are again since the last time we met you in March during the dealer live event. So here we are again, Sherin and myself, William. We are here to bring to you our Raya program from Merck in 2021.
Yes. Okay. So, as all of us know that Raya is coming very soon, and during this pandemic time, it's very difficult for all of us to celebrate this festive season together. So that is why we actually designed a special program which is dedicated for Raya, and this is also dedicated to all our academia and also researchers out there, because we know that during this difficult time, the most impacted segment will be the academia. So that is why we want to pump in more positive vibes into these segments and to let them know that Merck is actually together with all of you. Okay.
So
Right?
most importantly, we want them to be engaged entire time. So we want you guys, all of you, to be first to know what happens to this program, and then how you can reach out to your customer from academia and research institute to share with them about this program from Merck. Okay, so let's get
Yes.
started.
All right. So, in this Raya program, we actually design three main activities. So first we have Jom Balik Kampung, second we have Berbuka Puasa of Curiosity, and the last one we have the Raya Open House. So later in a few slides, we actually explain more in details of each of these main activities. Okay. So first we'll start off with the Jom Balik Kampung. Okay, so for these activities, basically, we want to sort of like reward our customer. If let's say they purchase any items from Merck and Sigma Aldrich at a certain value, they will be entitled a special limited editions Merck gimmicks. Okay, so you can see over here. So we have three different tiers. All right. So the higher the tier it is, which means the PO value will be higher, but of course, the rewards or the gimmicks that we given out to our customer will be much more valuable and also much more specials. So you can see for the first tier, it's actually a PO value above 1,000 to 2,999. So for this range of customer, they will be entitled for a Merck thumb drive. So again, this Merck thumb drive is specially designed. You see, it's actually in a Merck logo. So we actually put up this gift in a very special gift bag, and we can actually deliver or give it out to our customer. So the second tier of gift is actually X Fusion's earphone, and this is entitled for those customer that give the PO value above 3,000 to 4,999. Okay, and the last tier, which is the Merck backpack. So this is actually a very good quality of Merck backpack. So those customer that submit the PO value that is above 5,000 ringgit, then they will be entitled for this special gift. Okay, so let's come to the terms and conditions. So again, we would like to emphasize this is a program that we designed for the Malaysia universities and also government institutes. So
End users.
yes, the end users. So what they do is they just need to submit the PO to a Merck online redemption form. So the next slide, I will actually give further more details about this redemption form. So the redemption starts from 1,000 ringgit up to 5,000 ringgit value of Merck and also Sigma Aldrich products. Okay, so you must be wondering, Merck and Sigma Aldrich is actually two separate PO. So that is why we actually give the customers to submit up to 2 PO. So you can actually submit maximum up to 2 POs and combine together for each submissions. And the PO is dated between 1st of April 2021 up to 30 June 2021. So just to remind that one customer ID could only redeem for one time only. So what does it mean? So it means that, for example, if let's say in one certain lab, let's say Sherin Tan, okay, so once Sherin Tan has already submit the PO, I can no longer submit the second PO. So you can actually ask your peers or your lab mates to actually submit the PO to be entitled for the gift over here.
Yeah, if you have a new PO, okay? So
Yes,
let's say
if you
one
have a new
is already
PO.
redeemed. Yeah, if you have a new PO, you can ask your lab mates to redeem for you. Yeah.
Exactly. right? So upon all the successful entry, definitely you will receive an email notifications, and we will give out these gimmicks after the promotion ends, which is on 30th of June 2021. So for those outstation customer, do not need to worry. You are entitled for these activities as well. So the gimmicks, it will be given out by our Merck appointed business partner. All right. Okay, so basically this is the first activities that we design to our researchers out there.
So just a reminder to all of you why this matters to all of you is if the customer submit the PO to dealer like all of you, they also can participate this event, not only the end user PO to Merck directly, but the end user PO to all of you guys as well. So as long as they are buying Merck and Sigma items above 1,000 ringgit, they
Up
will
to
be entitled
5,000,
for
yeah.
anything.
Exactly. So this is not a program just for the end users. If let's say there is anyone from that particular segment that submit PO to you, yes, we are giving out the gimmicks to the end user as well. Okay. Right, so here is the link, which is the online redemption form that I mentioned just now. So basically, it's just a very simple form we put up on Sigma Outreach website. So all these informations will be available on the e-portal. So you can go to our e-portal and look up for all these informations, and you can send all these informations or the promotion materials that we already prepared and send it out to your customers. Okay. All right, now let's go to the second activities. So this is berbuka puasa with curiosity. So for these activities, I would say the main focus is on the products and also the promotions itself. So what are the products that we feature in these activities is those rapid kits or reagents that are able to speed up the process of the research project. Because we do know that during this pandemic, a lot of research project has been delayed or postponed. So they must be very eagerly looking for kits or some of the innovative products that are able to help them to speed up their process. Okay, so over here you can see it is lesser steps, lesser money, and also rapid results. All right, so in these activities mainly we have two events. Okay, the first one is the virtual seminar series. So we do know that a lot of people has been focusing their research probably on the drug discovery. So that is why we actually designed a series of topics that are dedicated for these particular topics. So you can see in the process of drug discovery, definitely we want to look what are the products that we want to, or what are the molecules that the researchers want to synthesize. So once they know what are the target molecules, then they will go for how to make it. So over here, we actually featured our Synthia Ritual Synthesis software. So this is a software that are able to speed up their process in the discovery of new drugs or new molecules. So once you know the reaction pathway, you will go to like the synthesizing process. So over here, we're also introducing one of our innovative products, which is the illuminated synthesis on the photoredox catalysis. Last and not least is our chemical biology. So over here, we actually feature our Protect. So they will sort of like a very short seminars to actually teach you how to design the perfect Protect so that it can streamline the synthesis and library generation of a targeted protein degraders. All right. So for this whole virtual seminars, it will be ongoing on 17th of May until 28th of May. So it's just a very simple seminars, but very informative. All right,
so you can, seminar.
Yes, exactly. So you can share these informations to those customers, for example, from the Faculty of Medicine or the Faculty of Pharmaceuticals, whereby they will be doing a lot of research on drug discovery. Okay. In this berbuka puasa with the curiosity, and of course, like I mentioned, we actually have a few products that we featured in this program. So we also offer some special pricing and promotions on the rapid kits and reagents. So over here, we already have the brochure ready, right? So maybe I'll pass the floor to William to actually give a more details on what are the products that are available under this program. Okay, William, over to you.
Yep, let me share my screen. So just to let all of you know, this brochure will be available to download at the web form that Shireen shared with you just now, the one that you need to submit the PO for the gift redemption. So this brochure will be available to be downloaded from that site, okay? So let's get back to this promotion leaflet. So I think this is very exciting to all of you because you want to know what are the actually products included in our promotion. Sorry, Shireen, can you see the screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so our concept for this promotion this time is for rapid kits because we understand that researchers nowadays their projects might be delayed due to the current condition already. So all the products mentioned over here is actually something that is fast, that is quick, that can help them to achieve their research objective in a faster way. So that's why all these products in this brochure actually focus in that direction. And then we think of maybe we want to make it like a special Raya recipe. You know, it's a recipe to achieve your research objective faster. Hence, we come up with this flyer. Okay, so let me go through with all of you what are the products included in this flyer. All right. So the first one is chapter 3.0. So as previously you know, so this chapter 3.0 is a sound counter. It's actually a very fast and accurate sound counting device, which you can just complete the sound counting in just 30 seconds. Okay, so we have a demo unit with us right now. So if you have any customer who is interested to know what is this chapter, you can ask us, you can inquire the demo from us, and then we will be able to offer the special introductory price to your customer. Okay, this is the first one. The second one, we have a new PCR master mix from Sigma. This is for ultra fast, high fidelity PCR in less than 15 minutes. It is really fast, okay? And then we have a 30% discount. So as long as you just enter the promo code UGS when you check out from the Sigma order center, and then you will be entitled for this promotion. This promotion expires on 30th of June 2021. So I just want to let you know, when you bring up this brochure to see the customer, we try to make it easy for you is because we try to put the features over here for you to actually share with your customer instantly, you know, without you need to dig out another brochure or you need to memorize anything. We try to make it easier for you to find out. And if you send this as a how to say electronic copy to your customer, the customer can even, you know, click all this link to find out what is the product and then what are the SKU is included in the product as well from this link. Okay. Let's go to the next. The third product will be Gene Elute E. This is our nucleic extraction kit. Okay, our new nucleic acid extraction kit. This is is a much greener and much faster purification kit. Which this one they use lesser plastics and then you can do the extraction in a faster way. Okay, so for this one you can acquire a free sample from us. And if your customer is interested for a discount, you can talk to your account salesperson, and then we can try to see what we can offer. But let's get them interested in this new extraction kit from us via a sample first. Okay. Next one is sterile cup. I believe all of you know what is a sterile cup. It's for sterile membrane filtration to filter buffer, media, things like that, and so on. So this product range will be entitled for 40% discount. Okay, so for these two products, it actually includes a lot of SKU. So that's why we won't be able to put up all the SKU over here. So you can find out what are the SKU under this promotion by clicking this link and this link. Okay, then the customer and yourself will be able to know what are actually the SKU be included under this promotion. So the fourth product we have is sterile cup. Okay. Moving to the next, okay, let's do not forget the protein research people. So we have something new for Western blot as well, okay? So the first one is a Turbo Mix. Turbo Mix is our fast gel casting kit. Okay, so last time we used to need to get acrylamide, we need to get SDS and buffers, in order to prepare your own gel. We understand that some of the customer do not like to purchase a precast gel, so we try to make every component into a kit. Okay, so that the customer can cast their own gel without needing to buy separate chemical from differently. All right, so we have two SKU over here. One is for 10 mini gels and one is for 60 mini gels. Okay, for this one, actually we have a special price, but we are still waiting for the promo code to be released by our global product manager. So once I have got this promo code, I will update over here as well. Okay, at the same time, let's do not forget other Western Bloc products as well. So all of the things over here is actually our new protein workflow products, including protein standard, gel staining reagent, and precast gel. I mean, this is our new MPH precast gel, which is using the Bistreeze formula. So you can ask your customer if, let's say, they feel that casting their own gel is actually very time consuming, and then as per our concept for this brochure, they want to achieve the gel electrophoresis faster, you can ask them to buy this precast gel as well. Okay, the next one, we have a viral RNA buffer. So this is in line with the current situation, COVID situation right now. So if your customer is doing RNA extraction from saline and saliva sample, this is our new product. We can extract the RNA using this buffer easily in just if I'm not mistaken, less than 5 minutes. It's very fast. Okay, so for this one, it's rather a new product, so that's why we would not be offering a discount at the moment. But if you need a free sample from us, you can let us know. Okay, so the next product we have is also is the multiplex assay. So why we consider this multiplex assay to be a fast solution is because rather than a traditional ELISA, you can perform a multiplex assay much faster as well. You can do 5 or more than a number of analytes once. You do not have to perform individual ELISA. All right. So as far as you should know that currently Prima Nexus is the only distributor that is doing the service of this multiplex assay. So it will all be channeled to them at the moment, but appreciate if you can just share this news to everybody as well. Okay, for this one, we have some special project pricing support for the customer. So if they are want to inquire more from this one, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Okay, last but not least is our instrument. Okay, our SMC X Pro, our very new and very chunky instrument. So for this one, is meant for detection of very low level of protein. All right, so as you can see over here, go from 0 to femtogram faster than ever. Okay, so for this one, of course, we won't be telling you what's the price, but we will be doing a demo and seminar if you have a customer who is interested to know what can we do with this instrument. Okay, so that's basically for the biology part. So for the next product under this promotion catalog, I will pass to Shireen.
Okay, all right. Thank you, William. So now coming to this metabolomic. So this is more of I mean, you can target those doing a lot of biochemistry research. So in the discovery of metabolomic, it is sometimes quite tedious because you have to use the instruments, the mass spectrometry, to actually do the analysis. However, over here, Merck and Sigma Outreach, actually we do offer a rapid kit. This is not something new, but then this is something that we think that is very suitable at this time, because by using a kit, you can actually speed up your whole process. So again, like what mentioned by William, is that we already listed out all the features over here. So you can just directly present this brochure to your customer and let them know what are the features of these kits that are able to assist in their research. All right, so over here, I actually highlighted 5 study field, but if you click into the link over here, they can actually lead you to a website whereby it will give you all the lists that are available at our website. Okay, so the one that I would like to highlight over here is on the infectious disease, especially on COVID-19, because we do know that a lot of people will be focusing on this particular study or field. So if you are able to locate any customers that are working on COVID-19, you can actually promote these kits to them and let them know what are the offering that we have from Sigma and also Merck. Okay, so next we have this buffer. So you must be wondering what is something special about this buffer. So all this buffer powder actually will be prepared and weighed properly in a sachet. So you do not need to weigh the buffer powder. You just directly open the sachet and then you can just dilute all this powder in the distilled water and carry out with your research. So that is why for this pH buffer, we think that this is very suitable for customer if let's say they want to catch up a lot of their time, because you do not need to weigh and you also do not need to adjust the pH. So that is why we actually put this fast pack buffer, ready to use buffer into this brochure. All right. So next up, we also have Syioknya. So Syioknya is actually a retrosynthesis software, because we do understand that in the discovery of the new molecules, very often that the researcher found that when they want to craft out a pathway to achieve their novel molecules, it will take a lot of times and also takes a lot of efforts. So that is why by using a retrosynthesis software, they sort of like will give you tabulations, or they will actually give you a series of pathway to let you choose which is the fastest pathway and also which is the pathway that is most feasible to your current facility. So that is why we also put in this Syioknya under this category. All right. So next up, we also have some test strips, which is specifically for those customers that are working on some analytical testing. So you can see over here we have M-Quant test strips and also colorimetrics and tetrametric tests. So if let's say you have interest on this, you can approach all the salespersons in Merck and Sigma or even us, and you will be entitled for a certain value of discount. All right. So last but not least, of course, we also put in our chemical spillage kits over here, because when there is a chemical spillage happen, usually the end users will have to go here and there to look for all the components that is needed to treat the chemical spillage. So by having these chemical treatment kits, all the components is inside one kit. So that is why we also put it up in this brochure. And of course, if you have any customer that are interested in this, we will be providing a free demo. And if let's say you require a special price just to win the case, you can always come and look for us. Right? So I think that's all for our brochure. So for this brochure, we're actually available in e-copy. So if let's say our business partner over here, you want to distribute this brochure on your own and you want to print out your own copy, you can actually put up your contact details at the end or even at the beginning of the brochure, so that the customer, they know who to look for when they are looking for these specific rapid kits or reagents. Okay.
So just to let everybody knows that for this promotion, as we want to emphasize again, is focus on all these rapid kits and rapid way of achieving their research objective.
Yes.
So we want your help, to actually push out to the customer, get inquiry, ask for sample, ask for discount, ask for support, from us and from your the salesperson that is handling your account. Okay. Get us a lot of feedback and inquiry, so that we can help in achieving your target. All right. So after this, we will move on to the next part. Back to Shireen.
Okay. All right. So this basically we already concluded two main activities. Now I will be sharing the last activities. Okay. So the last one is Raya Open House. So as per the name, literally it means that we actually want to go to the research institute to sort of like, you know, have an open house whereby we will actually set up a counter or the booth at a specific institutes, and we want to have more engagement with our customers there.
That
So
was our plan actually.
yes, that was
Yes.
our plan, and we actually plan out to actually let the customer to vote which institutes they want us to be present over there. So we actually will put up a votes, and then for example, so over here we have UKM, UTM, and many more. So we will put up a poll, and then the customer will cast their votes, and then we will based on the vote results, and we will set up the booth over there. However, all this, it will really depends on our government's order, which means the COVID situations. If the case continue to spike out like this, then most probably we will actually switch this activity into a very exciting virtual event. Right?
So whether how is the virtual events or whether it will be a physical event or not, we are not sure at the moment. So for this part of program, we will like sort of like keep KIV at the moment, but we just want to keep the engagement happening at least for now. You know, get them to vote to see where are the students want us to be there. Okay, be it with a physical or a virtual events. You know, at least we would get some feedback from them about you know whether they need an engagement or any activities together with them. Yeah, we understand open house is actually not able to do so. Let's think of another creative way to reach out to our customer.
Yes,
Okay?
exactly. So the reason why we put up the votes is also we wanted to see like which of the institutes have the most engagements over there. So like what William mentions, most probably we will not do a physical events over there, but all this we will keep in view, and if we have the latest update, we will let all of you know. But our main concept for this Raya Open House is that we will actually sort of like organize a series of engagement activities over there. Like we will put up maybe some webinars or maybe some demo sessions, or we will actually give out some gift and also exciting interaction games over there. So we try to make it as a very interactive and also a very fun event. But if let's say we actually convert all these events into a virtual one, I believe we can also do it in a very fun way. Okay, all right. So basically, this is the three main activities that we actually tailor for this Raya program.
Yeah,
So
this is the overall our
yes.
Syioknya Raya with Merck 2021 program.
Exactly.
Okay?
So we actually come up with a few channels to reach out to our customer out there, because we do know that at this difficult time, we actually need to get more engagement with our customer. So you can use all these materials that we already prepared for you and spread it out and get more engagement by asking our customer to submit the PO, to actually join our webinars, and also you can also give out the promotion flyers, the leaflets to our customer. So in a way, it also generate income for you. So last is the Raya Open House. So this will actually let you know what is the latest updates, and all these informations will continue to update you via the e-portal and of course via email. Right?
So share all this information out to your customer, and most importantly, let's get more PO from this event.
Yes,
okay?
yes. So we hope this is a very interactive and it's a very fun event that we can just celebrate together with all our customers. Right?
So I guess that's all for now today. So till then, stay safe, stay connected. But anything, you can always please reach out to us, the marketing team from Merck, and also your account salesperson. Okay?
Exactly.
Till then.
Okay. All right. So everyone stay safe, and we will see you very soon.
Yeah. Last but not least, happy holiday, and then we'll see you very soon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.